Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and seeing more money than you expected. No stress, no worries about bills, no guilt about spending on things you love. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, according to Ramit Sethi, this dream can be your reality if you follow a few simple steps. In his best selling book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Ramit lays out a no BS, step by step guide to managing money, investing, and growing wealth, all while still enjoying life. No extreme budgeting, no giving up lattes, no boring financial talk, just practical strategies that actually work. So, in this video, I'll break down the 6-week financial plan from the book and share the biggest takeaways that can transform your financial future. Stay till the end for a bonus tip on how to automate your money and make it work for you. Let's dive in. Chapter 1: The Psychology of Money. Before we get into the practical stuff, let's talk about your mindset. Because what you believe about money shapes your financial future. Most people think, I'm bad with money. I'll start saving when I earn more. Investing is risky. These are all limiting beliefs, and they keep people stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle. Ramit says that being rich is about systems, not willpower. You don't need to be perfect with money. You just need to create automatic habits that do the heavy lifting for you. Think about it like going to the gym. If you have to think about working out every day, you'll probably skip it. But if you schedule workouts, get a trainer, or set reminders, you're way more likely to stay consistent. Same with money. Set up systems once and let them run in the background. That's the key to wealth. Chapter 2: Kill Debt and Build Credit. Alright, step 1 of the I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Plan. Get rid of debt and boost your credit score. Ramit calls debt the silent killer of wealth. If you're drowning in credit card debt, you're losing money every single month in interest. But here's the good news. You can escape it faster than you think. The Debt Payoff Plan. 1. List all your debts, credit cards, loans, etc. 2. Prioritize high-interest debt first, like credit cards. 3. Negotiate lower interest rates. Yes, you can call your bank and ask. 4. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. 5. Use the snowball or avalanche method to pay them off faster. Ramit shares a story of a woman who had over $10,000 in credit card debt. She followed this exact method and negotiated her interest rates down, allowing her to pay off her debt in just 2 years instead of 5. And guess what? Her credit score jumped by over 100 points, opening the door to better loan rates and financial freedom. Chapter 3: Automate Your Finances. Now comes the most powerful part of Ramit's system: automation. Most people fail with money because they rely on willpower. But smart people make money decisions once and let automation do the work. Here's how to set up your rich life system. Step 1. Your paycheck gets deposited into your checking account. Step 2. Automatically transfer money to savings, investments, and bills. Step 3. The rest is yours to spend, guilt-free. Example: let's say you make $4,000 per month. $500 automatically goes to savings, $500 to investments, 401k, Roth IRA, stocks, $1,500 for rent, mortgage, and bills, $1,500 for spending, without guilt. By doing this, you pay yourself first and avoid the stress of manually managing your money every month. Chapter 4: Smart Investing. Most people think investing is complicated, but Ramit keeps it simple. Investing rules for a rich life. Start now, even with just $50 a month. Use index funds and ETFs. They outperform most fancy investments. Don't try to time the market, just keep investing consistently. He suggests opening a Roth IRA and a 401k and automating monthly contributions. Over time, compound interest does the heavy lifting. If you invest just $200 per month at an 8% return, you'll have $600,000 plus by the time you retire. That's the power of compounding. Chapter 5. Spend on what you love. Being rich isn't about cutting out lattes. It's about spending consciously on what brings you joy. Ramit's system isn't about extreme budgeting. Instead, he encourages you to cut back on things that don't matter and spend freely on things that make you happy. How to create a conscious spending plan. 50 to 60% needs, rent, bills, food, etc. 10% savings, emergency fund, future goals. 10% investments, stocks, retirement, real estate. 20 to 30%, guilt-free spending, trips, hobbies, fun. This way, you enjoy life today while still building wealth. Final takeaways. So, what's the key to a rich life? It's not about making more money. It's about managing it better. Here's a recap of Ramit's 6-week system. 1. Fix your mindset. Money is about systems, not willpower. 2. Destroy debt. High-interest debt is killing your wealth. 3. Automate your money. Savings, investments, and bills should run on autopilot. 4. Invest smart. Start today, use index funds, and let compound interest work. 5. Spend on what you love. Cut back on waste. Spend guilt-free on what matters. If you follow these steps, you won't just get rich. You'll live your version of a rich life. Want more book summaries like this? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which book I should cover next.